So at the time I'm doing this video, we are 3 to 4 weeks post when we did that June lawn plan. We did that on the 31st of May. Just a great way to ramp us up for the month of June to give the lawn some color, some vigor. We did that with some 2600 at 15 ounces per thousand. Here we are about 4 weeks later since we've done that. You can see the grass is looking beautiful. It is nice, double dark, green, and thick. Is a really great product. It's actually my go-to fertilizer product in the summertime. So at this point, we have a couple options as to what we can do. Given the slow release nature of the 2600, we have one of two options. Number one, we can let that ride out as long as possible and feed the lawn when it starts showing signs that it needs to be fed. Or you can level it up even further. Heck, maybe you got some summer parties coming up and you want to throw something together now that can make your lawn pop in about 2 weeks. This actually brings me to a couple of things you could do right now. Number one, you can either do another application of 2600 at 15 ounces per thousand, or even 12 if you want to bring down the dosage a little bit. Or, this is what we're going to be doing a video on, and I recommend you subscribe and stay tuned here on the Next DIY Lawn channel to see how this fares out. You could do an application of 700 Green Effect at 15 ounces per thousand. If you want to see how that works, again, I really recommend you subscribe to see that. It's going to be some amazing stuff we're going to be trying back here. Or you can do both of them together. And this is actually what I've been doing in my spray business here in Northwest Indiana, is mixing together 2600 and 700. As far as the application rates for that, I recommend keeping it very simple and minimum, right? Maybe you just did the 2600 app about a month ago, you got the 15 ounces in there. You want to continue the push, but you don't want to do it too much. You want to kind of be minimal with it. Well, if you want to dip your toes in the sand with both products, I recommend 6 ounces per thousand of the 2600 and 6 ounces per thousand of the 700. Now, if you want to get a little extra with it, right? Maybe you've been mowing the grass. Maybe you've had a little bit of extra growth. Maybe you have a little bit of clipping buildup up top and you want to break some stuff down with all the heat we're having. I recommend spiking in some dethatch at 9 ounces per thousand. And when you do that with the other two fertilizer products, there's no harm in doing this, by the way, do that at the hottest part of the day. And also do it at a time where you have a good week or two of really warm weather, because that weather is what's going to help activate the dethatch in increasing microbial activity and encouraging these guys to come up and munch on the thatch. So that is what you're going to want to do if you want to go the extra mile and put in the dethatch. We do that in our business all the time around here. I've also done it on my lawn a couple times, and I gotta say that works really well. You guys in Florida who are dealing with blackouts, what can you guys do right now? Well, there are a couple of really good products you can get right now, and that is the 002 microgreen. That's a great product for you. It's got all of your micros in there, as well as a little bit of potassium. And another good product to double down with that is going to be the 0025 Green Kick product. Running those two products together, as far as application rates go, 6 ounces per thousand of the 0025 Green Kick with 9 ounces per thousand of the microgreen, that's going to be a killer combo to get you through the blackout period and have your grass thriving and green throughout that time. If you guys want to see how we're going to extend that back here, as we talked about the 700 product and how that's going to fare out, I recommend you click this button right here to subscribe. And if you want to see what else we've been up to on this channel to make your lawns deeper, darker, greener, and thicker with the N-Ext products, I recommend you check out these videos right here. They'll give you all the intel you need. Check them out. Oh, and subscribe. We'd really love to have you.